My bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be.
All right, y'all. So now we are going to finish my yard decor. We're gonna work on the porch today. I got this poster board to fill in the bottom of the table because it's empty. I dumpstered out it like years ago. I got the table, the black cat, some other things in here. And we're just gonna get started on this table first. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut that board to size so that it kind of has some support on the bottom of the table. So let's get into that.
Fuck these niggas and fuck these hoes who you can't fuck with me. Fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust out, and you know that bitch black. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb, bitch, I'm with my nigga. Okay, stout name plate and it's from my nigga. Bitch say she pregnant, it ain't from my nigga. Nah, I don't pay for shit, it's all on my nigga. Bitch, Maserati mommy, and the roof missing. She ate crab legs, now a whole tooth missing. Cheap ass veneers, you stay talking shit. Put a marker to this bitch, she so counterfeit. I'm the baddie in the CEO. Gothic bitches shaking ass in videos. In a cut, getting high with an emo hoe. We in wrong way, you bitches in dark shadow. Whoa. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay.
Run up on big glow, you want, I bet your ass be on the floor. Big carbon here like Mayweather, Tula come through and blow a hole. Got millions out that rap shit, they hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming, fuck em, I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curving, no curving, my
Once I got that cut, I went ahead and put that in the bottom of the table and just pressed it down a little bit. That's just foam board. And I just wanted to add some support so that I can sit my items on there and I don't have to worry about it getting wet because it's going to be back in the indention of my porch. Like hardly any of a condensation makes it that far back to my door. So now I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to add to my table. A fall bouquet with some pumpkins and stuff.
young, wealthy, and ratchet. I'm the hood bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they try to underestimate.
And then I got this electric pumpkin, some burlap pumpkins. That wire pumpkin is electric. I put lights in it. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like at night another day. But yeah, put that up there and just added my other little figurines. And I played around with it. It actually looks a little different now. So yeah, I'll show y'all a picture of what I decided to go with as the final project at the end. But now that I got everything up there, it's time to move all of the excess stuff off my porch. I was drying my baby's tub and get to styling my little table. So I thought I liked this cat on the table, but then I realized it's just too much going on because I want to add my little snacks when Halloween roll around. I want to add some snacks for the couriers. They bring my packages and stuff like that. So I took my time yesterday and really eyeballed this. Now, the front yard cost me about $25, and the stuff that you see on the porch, the decorations on the porch, cost me about maybe $25-$30. So altogether, this was a $50 project, and for my whole yard, I really can't complain. $50 was actually very good. This was my last little edit before I stepped back to look at it and just check everything out. Look at the pieces, everything, y'all, that I used today and yesterday came from the Dollar Tree. Across the front of the house, where you see the scarecrows, the flowers, the pumpkin lights, all of that. And yeah, baby girl approves, I approve, Bay approved, Megan approved. So we're pretty happy with our fall decor. And this is the final look I decided to go with. Thank you for watching my video. If you made it this far, watch again and subscribe so you can. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Calling me splurge, why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun on one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause to serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back, grab a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP litty. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I make me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Bentley spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I'm the dot, I'm in my drop top, who's in the streets? I got a real pretty little thing that's waiting for me. Pull up and disappear. Good love, don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my head in places I ain't never seen. Girl, you know what I mean. Take the talk, take the peace, and make some quiet. There ain't no one
second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. And you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you cursed his name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.